Hello everyone, we are on the way. We are going for our daughter's birthday trip. So location I'll disclose in my next upcoming videos once we reach the location. So I thought कि we are in Renfe, so I'll show you कि स्पेन में Renfes कैसी होती हैं. So we are in that compartment जहाँ पे it's very easy accessible for the baby caros or wheelchairs and cyclers. So this compartment is this. I'm going to show you the how it looks. So here we are sitting comfortably और यहाँ पे foldable tables है so that you can enjoy your meal over here and comfortably you can sit, or the seats are also reclined. So this is the sitting area, and here the in front the washroom, and people put on their cycle, their luggage over here, and here is the baby carrito. So with the baby carrito you can sit over here as well, and if you can park it over here and comfortably you can sit upside. So in front there is the entrance as well as the bathroom. Everyone knows कि in Barcelona the metro connectivity is really good, but if you want to go some faraway places like 3 or 4 hours distance, so Renfes are also very comfortable and very cheaper because I have the travel card. So it's around 44 euros, and that is for 3 months if you are below 30. Otherwise you have to get the recharge done in every month. So basically if you can travel anywhere in Spain in metros and Renfes, we prefer Renfes and metro because there is no luggage issues, and we can travel all along with our daughter comfortably, and seats are so comfortable. They are reclined, there are folding tables, there is a washroom within, and every time you get the notification for the next stop and everything. And this is our windows view. Stay tuned, I will be uploading more videos from our location where we have decided to go, and I will be showing you my hotel room as well. So stay tuned, follow me, bye bye.